apple, juicy and sweet, growing in nature, a healthy treat. B is for bluebell, pretty and blue, dancing in gardens fresh with dew. C is for cactus, standing so tall, in sunny deserts you'll see them all. D is for daisy, bright and fair, spreading joy everywhere. E is for evergreen, green all year, standing strong with nothing to fear. F is for flower, blooming so bright, filling the world with colors and light. G is for garden, where nature grows, with flowers and sunshine, beauty flows. H is for hibiscus, red and grand, brightening gardens across the land. I is for island, sunny and free, with waves that sing to you and me. J is for jungle, wild and green, home to creatures yet unseen. K is for kite, flying high, in the gentle breeze, up in the sky. L is for lemon, fresh and sweet, nature's gift, a sunny treat. M is for meadow, green and wide, a peaceful place where we can hide. N is for nest, safe and warm, sheltering birds from every storm. O is for oak, tall and strong, standing proud all year long. Oh. P is for poppy, bright and red, shining where the sunshine spread. Q is for quiet, calm and still, nature's magic on the hill. R is for roses, soft and fair, spreading fragrance everywhere. S is for sunflower, tall and bright, turning faces to the light. T is for tulip, colors so fine, blooming gently in the sunshine. U is for umbrella tree, giving shade to you and me. V is for vine, climbing high, reaching branches to the sky. W is for waterfall, sparkling clear, nature's song for all to hear. X is for xerophyte, strong and small, living where there's rain so small. Y is for yellow, bright as day, nature's sunshine in a spray. Z is for zigzag, winding through, a path of flowers just for you.